Alright, what's up guys? I'm going to take you through here how I've been earning money online. I'm going to start out with kind of no bullshit approach so you guys can see the payments I've received, and yeah, I mean that's what you're most interested in. So I'm going to log into my PayPal here and I'm going to show you what I made in my first week drop shipping. I'm going to be adding it up on this calculator because I've been drop shipping for just over a month now, but I just want to show you guys my first week sales. So I'll just be rounding up to save some time. So you can see right here it starts July 29th was my first payment received through drop shipping, and I'll just add these up quick. Alright, so right there in the first, give or take 8 to 10 days, I made $661. So now you can see, also you can see more payments here that I have received, also payments I have pending, and you know it's no bullshit, I'm actually making money. So I'm going to go ahead here and give you an example of how dropshipping works, and then I'll be having a separate video that's going to go into more detail here. But so we'll come here to eBay, right? You can search anything. I found a product ahead of time just to save some time. It's going to take some time for you to find profitable products. You're going to have to do a little bit of research and find what will sell and what will sell at a profitable amount. So here I was just looking up office chairs, and you can see right here we have this Lexmode office chair listed at $156, free shipping, stock photos you can see here. Those are all short tail signs of drop shippers, and if you come into this seller's account, this will also give you more feedback that he is a drop shipper. You can see all these sales here. Actually, if you go in here, you can see how much he's made in this month, right? So he's got 9,516 sales. This is a very successful drop shipper. He may even be wholesaling at this point, but we'll take that, and realistically you're gonna profit anywhere from $4 to $10. Some people will try to profit 10, 20. It depends on your mode of action. Some people will sell tons of items for $2, $3 profit just to get more sales. Other people will search more for big sellers. Some people do a mixture of each, but we'll just multiply this by 5, saying he's making an average of $5 per sale, and that's giving us a figure of near 50,000 just off his positive reviews for this 1 month. And then you can see he has an additional 55 reviews here from this month as well, which were also sales. Some of these negatives may have been refunds, and then there's more than likely a large amount of buyers who also did not leave a review, because not a lot of people leave reviews on eBay. Anyway, that's an idea of what this guy is probably making. We'll take this Lexmode Edge office chair, and I already have it here on Amazon. You see here it's listed at $113, Amazon Prime, so free shipping. You come back over here, he has it listed at $156.95. Where does it say it at? This is for free shipping. I can't find it on the screen, but you can see sold 6 already, limited quantity available. He's got this nice description that he probably pre-made. But yeah, so to put that into context, we'll take the price here, $113.98, and we'll go to this eBay PayPal calculator, so that way you can see, you know, what his end price is. So item cost, $113.98. Come over here to what he has it listed at, $156.95. There's no shipping charge here because remember, Amazon's going to ship it for free for him. So he's not paying a shipping cost, and he's also not charging a shipping fee. And you can see here his profit is $22.42 off of this product alone. He sold 6. That's $120 right there in the bank for him to just pretty much process this sale and have Amazon ship it to the buyer's house. Now also, if you look in here, he is a eBay store, he's not a loan seller. So you click yes here, that's going to give him a little more profit. That's going to up it to essentially $24. He's not a top rated seller, so he's going to miss out on that discount, but realistically he probably has been a top rated seller at some point, or he'll make it back to there. And that's essentially what eBay dropshipping is. To keep this video short, you know, just give me a thumbs up, leave some comments. Like I mentioned, I'm going to be doing a lot of these videos. I'm going to be putting out a more in-depth view of what dropshipping is and how you can start your own dropshipping store. This is very easy money to make. I guess I'll answer these questions quick here too. Most people ask, well, what about when they receive their package from Amazon, or the receipt says Amazon on it? Well, the thing is, Amazon offers you to do this thing called purchasing it as a gift. So when you do that, they'll ship it to the buyer essentially in incognito. There will be no receipt. Most of the packaging won't have an Amazon label on it, so buyers do not know where it's coming from. Most buyers honestly don't even care. But yeah, the proof is in the pudding. Yes, you can find this for, you know, $43 cheaper on Amazon, but consumers are lazy. Anyway, I'll have a full, more in-depth video about ways to go about drop shipping, how to get your business started, probably coming next week. So give a like, give a comment, give a subscribe, and stay tuned for more.